Hi, and welcome to a new Whimsy Stamps product release. Today I am sharing with you the new Bats Galore Embossing Folder. It is a slimline size and it is super great. Look at all of those bats. I love that you can see the pattern because of the black overlay on the top of the embossing folder, so you know exactly what you're pulling out of your stash to use it. I've used the embossing folder on some gray paper, and you can just see the excellent texture you get from this embossing folder and all of those really fun bats. I use it as a subtle background of this I Want Candy card. You can see here the black bats on the gray paper. I just did some ink swiping with my ink pad to make those black bats really stand out. We're so excited to start bringing you some awesome new Halloween goodies, and we sure hope you'll check out all of the new reveal videos today. You can also head to our Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook group where you can find even more inspiration for today's launch. Bye!